live in Detroit suburbia. We're in Eastpointe, and we're checking out I think our last house for the day. So I'm gonna take you with me. I haven't seen this. I know nothing about it. I know nothing about numbers, anything. So you're just gonna follow along. And this one is finished. Nice rainy day. Oh, it's carbon dioxide. Love those big windows. How many bedrooms? Tell us the scoop.
3 bed, 1 bath.
3 bed, 1 bath. What would a purchase price be if it were to come available?
This would probably be around the 155, 160 range.
Oh, okay, so we're higher end.
Yeah.
Okay, and what would anticipated rents be?
You're typically going to be anywhere between $1,400 to $1,500.
Okay.
You could rent for $1,600. I'm not putting it on the performance.
Under promise and over deliver. We don't know yet if this one's going to be available. Is this basement?
Yes.
Oops.
That's me. That was me. Sorry.
Oh, that was you. Ooh, this one even smells good down here.
Good.
And what all did y'all do in this one?
So this also got very similar to what we have been talking about all day. You know, the epoxy, oil paint floor with the paint chips. Obviously, you got the dry lock paint on the walls. We spray painted the ceilings black, kind of give that more clean industrial look to this basement. Obviously, as you guys know, we talked about this all day as well. Most of these basements are used for either storage or recreational spaces. A lot of times, though, tenants will move in here and they'll use this as habitable spaces, even though we don't condone it, we don't approve it, but a lot of times they'll use it as a man cave. So, as you can see with this type of basement, easily doable. It's got the PEX plumbing, it's got the electrical. It's got new windows as well.
You talked about the neighborhood in the van. Can you tell us it again? Because I wasn't recording. Where are we?
We're in the city of Eastpointe. This is a B-class neighborhood.
Of suburb.
Yeah, blue collar. About a 15-minute drive from downtown Detroit. Very close to the next city over, which is Warren, which has got the Chrysler plant. And it has a lot of tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 suppliers.
Nice.
So you'll see many, many people commute to the city of Warren. A lot of industrial work over there going on. So you won't have any issue renting this type of property out.
Huge rental
It's got an
demand.
awesome mix of homeowners and rentals in this area too.
High appreciation compared to a lot of areas.
We used to buy and sell in this area a lot more, just due to the fact that the homes have gone up in price, as well as the taxes have limited us to buying more in this area, and really now cherry picking the best deals possible to what's available.
Limited.
Very limited.
Let's see the rest of the house.
Yeah.
And you said this house?
Right now, it's small. Yeah, but we have one more. There's a certain,
I like that backsplash. I like the light color. It's really bright and fresh. Oh, this is pretty.
It's bigger than it looks.
The rooms are a good size. Let's see what the backyard looks like. Oh, whoa, 2-car garage. got a 2-car garage back there. Did you see it? Where's? Oh, I was about to say, am I totally missing the bathroom? Thought it was a closet.
Yeah, that's good. I have no idea where the light is.
Oh.
Oh, she found it. Good.
This is great. LVP throughout. I want to get to. Is that the door to the back? It's got a 2-car garage.
Yeah, that's.
This is, I was saying at some properties earlier, this is one of my favorite things to see when the neighbors have obvious pride of ownership and taking good care. That means they're going to care about who moves in. It's going to attract higher quality tenants. One of my favorite things about Detroit properties are the options for brick siding, and the suburbs don't have the brick. So it is siding, which is not a bad thing. Well, let's get a little look at the neighborhood here. This is our accidental party bus. They sent the wrong van. So we have a lot of neon lights in there. Check out the neighborhood. Here's the front of the house. You can definitely tell houses are owner occupied here quite a bit. Nice clean street, and we're only about 15 minutes from downtown Detroit. All right, let's see what all the investors are gabbing about. I love rain on a tin roof.
About an hour, it's 2:30. We're tour of downtown Detroit. We back at the office 2:30.
10 p.m. What?
Well, it is Saturday night, so.
Back to Snookers.
Oh. We have our matching hoodies.
Until like a light pool.
We had a very poor performance of pool playing last night.
What, one ball after like
All right, that's our live.